Slow down now, bring it in steady. A little more, and stop right there.
We have clearance at the main gate. Proceed with unloading Protocol Alpha. Bay 3 is ready.
Easy now, keep them moving toward chute 3.
Got it, panels up on the left.
Keep them moving steadily. Ensure they follow the yellow line.
Roger that. Almost at the holding pens.
Gate secured.
All tags scanned and logged. Intake complete for this group.
The hydration levels are stable across the board.
Yes, I'm logging the data now. The automated system is working perfectly.
Bull 47's intake is stable at 15 liters.
Good. The others show no signs of stress either.
Check the pressure valves and make sure the gates are secure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bring the first group in slowly.
Keep the pressure steady, especially around the eyes. Yes, Supervisor, we are using the soft brush here.
All the residue is gone, ma'am.
Looks good, check the drainage. Check the flank area again, right there. All right, got it, looks spotless now.
The sheen is really coming through now.
Yes, another 5 minutes and we're good.
All right, let's get you checked out. Nice and easy.
Scan initiated.
Body condition score is a solid 5. Musculature looks excellent.
Confirmed. Data logged.
Records confirmed on the tablet, Doctor. All systems verified.
Excellent. Let's move him through.
Temperature is 101.5. Record that, please, and note the calm demeanor.
Got it, 101.5.
Breathing patterns are strong and steady. No abnormalities detected in the lower left lobe.
Copy that. Updating the chart now.
Right eye tracking is steady. Cornea appears clear.
Good boy, just a little longer.
The cornea looks clear. No signs of inflammation in the left eye.
Noted. Ocular pressure seems stable.
We have a fractured cusp on the upper right. Copy that, logging the fracture now.
Muscle score looks excellent on the hindquarter.
Agreed, the development is exceptional. Make sure that's logged immediately, F.
The liver appears healthy, no anomalies detected, consistent with the blood panel results we got this morning.
I'm logging the ultrasound data now.
This lot meets the specifications. We can move it to the cutting table.
Understood.
The stitching alignment is perfect on this one, exactly to standard.
Check the alignment on row 3 of the schematic. Looks correct? We can proceed with the gold fittings.
Excellent work on the polish. This one meets all the luxury standards. Ship it out.